A lot of fans heading to these games, David, and I guess the best advice would be bundle up.
Yeah, over in Iowa City, it's going to be a chilly and probably soggy Saturday with some rain moving through, maybe mixed with snow. That's why we are Weather Impact here for Saturday. We're expecting our first real round of winter weather moving in. It begins as rain pushing in late tonight and early on Saturday, but it does mix with snow. The good news is temperatures appear to be about 35 to 40 degrees for most of this event. So that means there's going to be a lot of melting happening. Not all the snow that's falling is going to be sticking, but there could be a coating of snow, especially across the northern and northwestern portions of the state. We'll show you that here in a second. And then the other thing we're watching is Saturday night. Temperatures are really going to get cold. We're going to drop well down into the 20s, if not teens. So if there are any wet roads left over, we could see a couple of slick spots from that, but not anticipating widespread travel difficulties with this storm system. So here we go. Overnight, clouds increase, and then early tomorrow morning, we see those showers beginning to push in from the west, and they quickly mix with snow here across the northwest corner of the state. This is where we're going to see the best chance for some snow accumulation because that snow is falling before sunrise. As this pushes into central Iowa, we continue to see that rain-snow mix marching to the east and southeast. So you get along in north of Highway 30, you're going to see that rain-snow mix probably as early as about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Likely beginning as rain here in the metro, and then as we work through the morning into the early afternoon, we try to mix some of that over to snow, but you notice it struggles to really stay snow here in the metro. That's why I think we are not really going to see a whole lot of accumulation here. But you get up further north where there was more snow than rain, there could be some light coating, but even that begins to change over to rain in the afternoon because of those temperatures in the mid-30s to around 40, and then it all kind of winds down as we head into tomorrow evening. So how much snow? Not a lot, but enough that we could see a coating on some surfaces, especially here north of the metro. You get north of Highway 30, that's where we're going to see the better chances of seeing maybe a ½ inch to an inch of snow. And this is going to be mostly on grassy surfaces, elevated surfaces. I think the roads stay mainly wet because of the relatively warm temperatures throughout this event. But again, then tomorrow night, that's when it gets really cold. I want to show you the wind chills here because throughout the day tomorrow, it's going to feel like it's in the 30s. But then Saturday night, Sunday morning, strong north winds really bring in some frigid air. Wind chills down into the teens, maybe even single digits early on Sunday, so got to get ready for a pretty big change here this weekend. Thankfully, right now we have sunshine across most of the state. Clouds beginning to push in from the north as our storm system approaches. That is actually back here across Montana. That's going to make quick progress our direction here tonight into tomorrow morning. So enjoy the sunshine while we have it. 62 degrees. Northwest wind, though, 22 miles an hour, so it is on the windy side. Plenty of 60s across central and southern Iowa. At Tomah, you're up to 66. A little cooler to the north, 55 in Algona. These northwest winds will continue here through the afternoon. Temperatures, though, relatively mild, at least here in the metro, mid-60s, maybe 63, 64. And then we'll watch that rain-snow mix pushing in overnight. On and off here through the day on Saturday. Again, temperatures mid-30s to around 40, so plenty of melting happening. But Sunday is going to be very chilly, starting off at 25, 34 is all we get Sunday afternoon. Thankfully, we do recover heading into next week with more 60s, 50s, and 60s on the way.